Next up on deck is my Sales Success Summit. This is a 2-day transformational hands-on learning workshop, and it is designed for people that need to sell but maybe are not so comfortable with selling. You know, and when it comes to scaling up your business, there is a very tight correlation between operations, you're fulfilling what it is that you do, your marketing, and selling. And the cold reality is most people are not trained in selling. Most people who have been trained in selling do not have great sales skills. In fact, more often than not, what they say and what they do are going to prevent a sale from happening. And so I put this class together so that you can have a 2-day deep immersion training with a really supportive environment around you. And what we're going to do on day 1 is I'm going to take you through a really unique process that I guarantee is going to give you a lot of ahas and bring forth some of the things that have been holding you back in your sales process. I guarantee in many cases it's not anything you've ever considered before. And we're going to work through the day to get rid of some of the blockages that are showing up, but you may not recognize them. We're going to clear them out. And then I'm going to give you a very different perspective about how to create a comfortable conversation with the people that need to pay you more money more often, aka your clients. Then day 2, we're going to take all that knowledge from day 1. And in day 2, we're going to come back and you're going to actually be really woodshedding out the conversations that you're going to start to use to get appointments when you're with clients, and what do you do when you're done with that sale and you have to follow up. So make sure that you register early. This is a full program, but it is limited seating. I am providing lunch and snacks that day, so I'm taking really good care of you. And the other thing that I've offered is for those who get involved in this quickly and you reserve your spot, I'm actually going to give you a 30-minute consultation with me, one-to-one on the phone, so that we can start to work together before you actually show up for the event. So if your business needs to increase more sales, you need to shorten that time it takes you to get your sales closed. You've got sales in your pipeline that are not closing, get to this workshop. Again, if you want to know more information, make sure you call me, email me, let's set up a quick call, and I'm happy to answer questions. Otherwise, let's get you registered so you can start rocking it in the sales in this new year. Okay, there's one more on deck. Watch one more video, and I'll see you on the flip side.